How to knit SKP. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you everything you need to know about knitting SKP, slip knit passover. It's a super neat left-leaning decrease you can easily adapt to create an even neater decrease line. Let's show you how to knit SKP. To start, slip one stitch knitwise, then knit one stitch, and now pass the slipped stitch over the one you just knitted. And that's already your first SKP. Let's do it one more time. Slip one stitch knitwise, knit one stitch, and then pass over. It's really that simple. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. For an extra neat decrease line, you need to adjust the technique a tiny bit. So just like before, you slip one knitwise, you knit one stitch, and then you pass over. But now you need to find the stitch that is one row below here and yank out this left loop quite a bit. See, I yank it out. And this will move the excess yarn from this stitch over to this one. And then you can continue knitting, and there is your much neater left-leaning decrease. Let's do that one more time. So slip one stitch knitwise, knit one, pass over, and now find the stitch that is one row below and yank it out. And then continue knitting. Anyway, that's how to knit SKP. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.